What's your purpose for entering the zoo today?
It's just leisure, just to see the giraffes.
And do you have any contraband, sharp objects, or cameras on you today?
No sir, no.
Spread your legs, spread your arms. Okay, you can pass.
Thank you. Thank you for taking the time to meet with us today.
All good, love.
I know it's not easy to have met in these conditions.
When is it ever?
Can you introduce yourself for us?
Yeah, of course. My name is Pam, and I've been in this zoo for what feels like bloody donkey's years. Wasn't born here, actually. Was a free bird once upon a time. I was kidnapped and brought here by the evil bastard zookeepers. Gave birth to me 1,000 kids here. Hard yakka hiding them from the zookeepers. Fucking oath. Tell you what, you try raising 1,000 kids in this bloody cage. Fucking tough. Had to get rid of them. Wasn't my choice, of course. Was for their own good. Can still hear them chirping. Duncan, me eldest, love him to bits, bless him. Taking good care of me youngest Poppy. Bloody angel, that one. Can do no wrong. He'd give you the shirt off his back if you asked. Lets people walk all over him, though. Gotta bloody stick up for himself. Oh, then there's Glenn. Soft-spoken little bugger. Never had much to say for himself. You'd think his own mother would know a thing or two. Still got no bloody clue what he's about. Always hiding. Hope he's come out of his eggshell a bit. Feral things, those zookeepers. Grabbed me while my husband Russell was out. Couldn't fucking do nothing. Snatched me up like a bloody six-pack on sale. Truth be told, would have got me claws out if I'd known her being pregnant. Tell you who I'm worried about. Caleb and Dean. Bloody sick to bastard death of Dean by the time he left. Couldn't have been bloody happier to see the end of him. Caleb was always a bigger bird than me. Saw the good in Dean when I never could. Even now, I bet my bloody tail feathers that he's still with him. If it weren't for Caleb, Dean would have been kicked out of the nest a long time ago. Bloody hate that he came out of me. Might have birthed him, but he ain't my son. Sam, love him. Bit of a sticky beak. Tina and Bianca, yeah, the girls. They're me crown jewels. Know how to shake what their mother gave them. That being said, it's getting a bit fucking old. Come on, girls. Don't even fucking ask about Damo and Kyle. Shot up one time and fucking ran away with it. They're fucking pathetic. I'll run you through the bloody plan. We sneak through the hole in the fence that I've been eyeing off. I'm getting all my babies through. We're almost free. Till I get snatched out of the sky by a big fuck-off net. No mother should have to leave her babies behind. Oh, David. Our little dreamer. Bless his cotton socks. Got around the footy. Knows how to kick a ball around, that one. Broke my heart, him being in here. I'm glad he got out. Big world. Plenty of opportunities. Hope he's somewhere living that dream.
Do you ever think about your husband, Russell?
Oh, Russell was my hubby. Love of my life, that man. Took him a while to get a ring on this talon, but damn did he try. Always said I was the prettiest bird in town. Real lovebird, that one. Not a day goes by that I don't think of him.
Have you got a message you'd like to share with your children?
Listen, I know my children. Love them all to bits. But I know them well enough to know that some of yous are still looking for me. Bloody drifters. I'm telling you now, stop it. Don't worry about me. I live my life, and I'd be bloody pissed off with the lot of you if you spent yours looking for me. Spread your wings. I'm proud of yous. Don't ever forget it.